Hi guys, today we'll learn how to do perfect blending of sky. First time wetting the surface with a clean brush, having water all over the area you want to do blending. And I'm using color blue and the purple. First time using the blue color on the wet surface. You can see I'm covering the both pages. And first you'd have to decide till what depth you want to do blue color. Second, I'm using the purple color same as I have done for the blue color. Now with the same brush I will move in the upward direction so that the bending of colors occurs, and it will be good if you use the two different color, one for blue, one for the purple. Now I want to do the sunset effect, so I am using a yellow color at the base, and with the white color I will merge the boundary between the yellow and the purple. And with this I will again move in the upward direction on the both side of the page, and you have to keep in mind till what depth you want the different color sets. Till then, bye.